Hey, good Tuesday morning to you. It is about 7:15. Let's get your day started taking a look at the weather, what to expect today. I was talking yesterday a little bit about what might happen with cloud cover today. If we got cloud cover back in the picture, oh, there goes our live look outside. There was partly cloudy skies. Take my word for it. Yeah, there it is. As satellite imagery shows images of where the sun is just coming up across the Midwest, partly cloudy skies. So I was wondering what might happen with associated cloud cover that we have today if we might not get the warmest day of the period when those clouds clear out. Do think that theory will hold. There is a decaying mesoscale convective system out here in central Kansas. We need to pick up the Topeka radar to take a look at this one. This is just hanging out around Salina, Lincoln today. Data slow to come in, but I'll show you what that's probably going to happen with that in just a second. This thing has been hanging out since after midnight, and this is what I think will happen. Data says today that this is going to continue to decay as we go through the late morning. What is left of it, though, pay attention to just the little green specks, will come up and find very northwestern Missouri there. This is about 4 p.m. this afternoon. I don't see anything other than some scattered showers. There may be a few heavy downpours in there just because the environment is so right for it, right? But you'll notice for the rest of us, with the exception possibly of central Missouri here, I'm not expecting too much in the way of widespread rain today. It is, again, good environment for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but data not suggesting that those are going to be widespread today, so we do get a break from that. What I will be talking about here shortly is the next incoming chance for showers and thunderstorms, which I see Wednesday night over into Thursday morning, this being about the midnight time frame that I do see a cold front approaching. So we'll talk about that in a second. That is our next significant chance for any widespread rainfall. As far as today goes, here is a map where I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the cloud cover. And I do see that as that decaying MCV does take off to the east, you'll see our colors there over Kansas and Missouri, dipping down into the greens and the blues. These are like 5 and 10% cloud cover. So that's my first clue that as we go through the day today, which is the data I'm just showing you there, that I think that we will get some sunshine this afternoon and those temps will heat up into the mid-90s for this afternoon. So here is that Wednesday night setup. Wednesday night over into Thursday, there is a cold front that's going to try and push in from the northwest is what things look like right now. So I do think it will dip down into our area. Here is quantitative precipitation for Wednesday night over into Thursday, suggesting that the locus, the heaviest rainfall in our area, could be up there over northwest Missouri. Again, this being a Wednesday night over into Thursday setup. Some of those areas have already received significant amounts of rain. Some have received way, way too much, prompting the WPC to go ahead and put out an excessive rainfall risk marginal for this setup. So that looks to be our next time frame that I will be paying attention to. So if I'm right about the cloud cover, you guys can watch it with me today, and if things start to clear out, I think we could see. These are max temps again. Off to a little bit of a slow start this morning. At 7:15, it's about 75, so ways to go, but we could see 93, 94 up in Kansas City, 92, 93 down in west central Missouri and east central Kansas. No significant change in the forecast ahead. In fact, no significant change until possibly the middle of next week there. Look, Wednesday, Thursday, or really Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Long-term data, or at least medium to long-term data, suggesting a couple of cold fronts will pop through, but not until then. So that is the data that I have for you this morning. Appreciate you joining me. I'll keep an eye on stuff as it moves through the afternoon, but other than the heat, not seeing anything too much to pay attention to.